Hey guys, pop on here real quick on my way home. Just want to talk to you for a second, just about the last video I posted. I got a lot of interesting comments and I got a lot of messages. It's about the Superbox video. It was the I just made the video because I got the Superbox my wife bought me, Alyssa, and I'm loving it. It's amazing. And I've had a lot of friends. A friend of mine told me about it. Like I said on the video, if you've seen the video, if not, it's a super awesome streaming box that my wife bought me, and we love it. It costs $300. You get over 1,000 channels, and I mean, it's amazing. All the NFL, sports, movies, everything. You get Nickelodeon, you get Disney, you get everything, pay-per-view, one-time fee, $300. Anyway, I'm so excited about it, I made the video. Well, I've got some messages. People call me a sellout. I didn't get any money for making that video. I didn't get a free box. I didn't get anything. I just wanted to share it with my family and friends, and I thought, I got a million plus people on this channel that probably like it too, so I thought I'd share it there. A lot of comments, but I can't read them while I'm driving. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, you go check out. I won't bore you with all the details of the box. I got overly excited about it. I wanted to share it, so that's why I made the video. If you are interested in it at all, you go check out the video. It's fine. But yeah, it wasn't and I'm not above. I have gotten. I do make money on this page, and I have gotten money for things, but this is not that case. We make money on the content that we put up. The more you like it and comment and share the videos, that get engagement of any kind, that helps us, and that's how we make some money on Facebook. And that's not a ton of money, but it helps us out. But anyway, on this scenario, this particular video, it was no money involved. It was just, the Superbox people, they didn't reach out to me or anything like that. I'm here heading home from my folks' house. They live in Jefferson County, Louisville, Kentucky. I live in Shepherdsville, Kentucky, which is about 10 miles from them. It's Bullock County where I live, Bullock County, Kentucky, Shepherdsville, just outside of Louisville, Kentucky Derby. So yeah, anyway, I just wanted to pop on here for a couple minutes and just kind of clear that up. If anybody, because I responded to some of the messages, but there just got to be so many when they message me, and I can't. It's hard. It's so many that it's hard to get back to. I try to respond to all the messages I get. Hey guys. Oh, thanks for sharing the videos when you do. That helps a lot. I really appreciate that. I know some of them are silly and stupid, fun. Some of them might be interesting. I like to think maybe, but it's just it's not for everybody. Some of them are for some people, and just doing my thing. Started doing my thing a long time ago, and my buddy Tommy's in some of my videos. If you've noticed, Tom Mabe, he's a comedian. He's getting bigger. His name's getting to be pretty well known. But he and I grew up together in Hillview, and right outside Bullock County, Kentucky. And he and I grew up together. We're the exact same age. We went to school together. We've been together since we've been little kids. I think we were 5 or 6 years old. Best buds ever since. Still are. He was at the house yesterday. We shot a video for his channel. His is just Tom Mabe, Mabe in America. So you can pop over and check him out. Got a lot of cool stuff. He and I have been working on pranks and stuff back before YouTube was even YouTube. We had a TV show, a couple of them, nothing big, but back a couple decades ago when we were younger, before all the prank stuff took off, before YouTube was even thought of. and we were doing prank videos for reality TV. It was fun. It was cool. But yeah, a lot of the old videos, I'm a lot thinner, a lot younger. I think I have hair in some of them. I don't have gray. But yeah, we did a lot of them. We actually, people would put our videos up on YouTube when YouTube came around, when it first started coming up. I was like, oh man, we were trying to sell DVDs back then from the TV show and CDs. Tom May, I call him Tommy. He had the idea years initially when we were kids about Revenge on the Telemarketers, and I started writing things for him, and we did those things together. The Revenge on the Telemarketers is a series of CDs. We got several record deals. You can check those out if you want, but that's old school stuff. We were trying to sell CDs and DVDs of the videos, but they were putting them on YouTube, and every time they put them on YouTube, we were like, oh crap, nobody's going to buy our video, our content if we're getting it for free on YouTube. So we kept we get millions and millions of hits on YouTube, and we get mad about it. We start take it down. Lo and behold, man, all these kids started popping up, making these videos and pranks, and wow, took off, and now they're gazillionaires and doing awesome. And I know several of them. Tommy's really close with a lot of them. Great guys. But we was completely bass backwards on that job. We're always a little day late, $1 short. But we had fun doing what we did. We still have fun doing what we do. So yeah, I share a lot of his videos on the How To Dad. I just enjoy putting content up. I got another page got a couple Facebook pages that work. I Love Hate My Job is another one of my pages. I'm growing that one. My wife has got a page called Shareable Recipes. She's growing that one. So we stay busy on Facebook. We make a few bucks on it here and there. We still both have to work regular jobs. Unlike Tommy, Mr. Mabe, he's done real well. He does a lot of stand-up too. He's paid his dues and done his time. He's one of the hardest. We went to Hollywood back 20 years ago and did a show for FX, and that's Tom Green was going on, the Man Show, and all this stuff. They started taking a lot of our ideas. They probably didn't know they were our ideas, but Tommy was pitching them to the networks, and they were like, "Oh man, that's genius!" Next thing you know, they were doing it. But anyway, a lot of the agents and the networks. We're just blown away with Tommy about his work ethic, because he hits the ground running. I mean, he puts the business in show business. He does it. He works hard, and it pays off for him. He does great. He's been able. He and his wife and his children have been rocking it from day one. Oh, almost a wreck. There we go. Go ahead, buddy. If you're going to pull over in front of someone, even if you use a blinker, you need to accelerate. You don't just pull over in front of somebody and just slowly drift in front of them, doing 10 miles less than they are. For you young people out there, you want to match the speed of the people you're pulling in front of at least. I don't know, something to think about. Anyway, all right. Anyway, that's it, folks. I just wanted to say, hey, jump on here again. I get long-winded because I'm driving and just talking. I could talk forever, but yeah, I didn't get any kind of endorsements. I didn't get any money. I'm not to sell out on the Super Box. I will recommend it to anybody. Get the Super Box. At a red light now. Just get the Super Box. Check it out. I mean, you don't have to check out my video, but check out Super Box. Go Google it. I mean, it's amazing what you get for the money you get. $300, and wow, it's everything you wouldn't want anything else. I mean, there's nothing. The few negatives that I could see were one box per TV. That's kind of a bummer. We've got 2 boxes now. We got 4 TVs. We're gonna go ahead and get the other ones too, I'm sure, but we only watched 2 of the TVs, mainly upstairs and downstairs. That's the negative. Every now and then, your streaming it will freeze up occasionally. But it never, you just jockey it around. You go from one channel to the next, and it's unfrozen. It's not been a problem at all for us. Anyway, peace out, people. Thanks for watching, sharing, and supporting, and I'll talk to you soon.